All right guys, I am gonna go into the Dollar Tree and do a little shopping, and I thought I would bring you along on a little Dollar Tree shop with me, see what's new at the store. So the first thing that I noticed when I walked into the Dollar Tree was all of the new spring stuff they have. Gonna get some pots. Look at these ones for only $1. And I immediately gravitated toward these really pretty silver galvanized tins. They have them in a couple different shapes and sizes. So lots of different choices depending on what you're going to do with them. I think for this one, I'm going to fill it with soil and put some herbs in there. I actually picked up this basil kit while I was at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna throw a little potting soil in here and plant my basil inside here. I like keeping herbs in my kitchen, but lots of times they come in just those ugly little pots. So this is just a really cheap and easy way to dress them up a little bit. So cute. Next, I moved on to the home and kitchen section, and there's a ton of new cute stuff. All right, look at these adorable mugs. First, these little emoji mugs, and then there's this mug that says, "Death before decaf." It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh, look at this little coffee one. All right, I'm not gonna buy any of these, but I have to show them to you. I got these chargers, these exact ones, and I pull them out for every special occasion like Christmas and Thanksgiving, and I put them, you know, they're just chargers, you put them under plates, and everyone always thinks I'm so fancy, and they always compliment them, and they're literally from the Dollar Tree. So one of my favorite things they had were these sort of like copper inspired kitchen pieces. They had sets of cooking utensils, they had some salt and pepper shakers, and then they had little copper mugs, like Moscow Mule mugs. Usually you're gonna spend way more for these. So I picked up a set of 2, so now we have a little Moscow Mule cup. Not that you have to make Moscow Mules in them, you know, you can put whatever drink you want in them, but I love the copper inspired. I just think it's really pretty, so I had to pick up some of these. Another thing I saw in the kitchen section that I've never seen at the Dollar Tree before, they might have been there for a while, they might be new, I'm not sure, is these little condiment cups. Probably really great if you're having a party and you want everyone to have their own little cups. I'm also just married to somebody who really likes condiments. It's kind of a running joke, and so I thought that these would be perfect for when he wanted little cups to put different sauces and condiments and dips in.
Well, that's a hamburger ketchup.
No, this is like salsa.
French fry ketchup.
This is like salsa and this is like ketchup. Oh my god, you guys, look at how freaking cute these are. How cute would these be for like a picnic, for a barbecue? Oh my god, these are so stinking adorable. If I had the need for a new outdoor plate set, I probably would have picked up some that they had this year, but I didn't have any need from plates, but I loved the pattern that they have this year. So I picked it up in the dish towel variety. I just think that these are really pretty and colorful. A fun way to bring a little bit of spring into my house, even though it's definitely not springtime yet here in Connecticut. It's still cold and icy and gross, but plus you always need extra dish towels lying around. Whenever my mom comes to visit me, she always complains that I don't have enough dish towels. So see mom, I got some dish towels. The glassware at the Dollar Tree is always good, and they've got some good choices right now. They have this like etched glass, which is very hip right now. They've got it in the goblet style. Well, this is like if you want to have a lot of wine. Like you're like, I just want all of the wine, you know? Okay, I like getting these rubber animals because they're really good for arts and crafts, and if you buy them at other stores, they're like $10. So yeah, the next thing that I picked up was just some of these toy animals. I love doing DIYs with these. I will put links down below to all the DIYs that I've done. My local Dollar Tree does not have good choices, so when I saw the ones at this Dollar Tree, I picked them up. I think maybe I'm gonna use the Stegosaurus. I'm thinking of cutting a hole in the top of them and then spray painting him like hot pink and using him as like a little pencil holder for my desk back there. I think that would look really cute. I think these ones, I don't know, it sounds like a little morbid, but I'm gonna behead them. I'm gonna cut their heads off. And I'm gonna glue them to the top of these mason jars that I found at the Dollar Tree as well. I thought I might use them in our second bathroom, which doubles as our guest bathroom. When guests sleep over, it's the bathroom they use, just to put like little toiletries and stuff in there that people might need, since the gold style sort of matches that bathroom. I always like to check the books because sometimes you can get great book deals at the Dollar Tree. You just gotta really dig through it all. I need a good book for our trip at the end of the month. I think I'm gonna get this one. Look at how cute all of these are. I don't like that one. Ooh, that one smells good. I was pretty jazzed up about finding these candles, and at first I was like, these are kind of small, but then I realized they're perfect for things like in the bathroom or on your nightstand, places that you don't need to have a big, huge candle burning. Not only are these adorable, so they're already decorated, which I think is so cute, but they also smell really good. This one kind of smells like roses, and I don't know, I'm bad at like describing smells, so I don't know why I'm trying to do this, but kind of smells like floral, but in a really nice way. And then this one is probably my favorite. It's more of like a clean smell. The plain vanilla candles at the Dollar Tree always smell good. They make the entire room smell. So I'm feeling pretty good that these will do that too. And they're adorable. Picked up some paper straws. I love having paper straws around the house because let me tell you something, if you have anyone over for just like a dinner or you're gonna have drinks or whatever, you stick a paper straw in like any drink and people are like so impressed, and literally all you need is a cute paper straw. So I thought that these ones, the blue and white ones, would be cute for sort of like the upcoming spring. They'd be good for 4th of July. Maybe I'm being a little optimistic. I know it's a while until the 4th of July, but just thinking forward to the happy times with the sun and the shorts. What you put in here? Some pretzels.
Snacks.
Cheese. Yogurt covered pretzels. Oh my God, these are so delicious. I call them yogurt covered. They're white fudge. Let's be real about it, okay? You can see our cart is quickly becoming snacks. So you can see where our priorities are. Okay, this is a very important question. Right now I need to ask you guys. Yes, these are delicious, or no, these are gross, because I think these are delicious, but a lot of people think these are gross. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you think the candy hearts are delicious, or do you think that I'm crazy and you're like, Callie, these things are disgusting? Look, a bandana for Zoe. Show us your bandana. Show us. Are you so pretty in your bandana? Every single time I'm checking out at the Dollar Tree, I'm always looking at it on the conveyor belt. I'm like, this is gonna be $150. And then she's like, $35.92 or whatever, and you're like, wow, I feel like I bought a million things. That's what's beautiful about the Dollar Tree, isn't it? I just love it. Anyways, thanks so much for joining me for this little sort of shop with me Dollar Tree haul, what's new at the Dollar Tree. I sort of just mashed it all together. Never done a video like this. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I thought it was sort of a fun, different video to film. I had a lot of fun bringing you guys along and sort of checking out the new stuff at the Dollar Tree. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I would really appreciate it. As always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. Really, truly do appreciate every person who watches and comments. You have no idea what it means to me. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video. Do you see how I did that? I sort of was like scolding you. I didn't mean to scold you. I was trying to point at you, right? Like that.